Hello everyone! Leo the Limo's coming over to the garage today. He's a super long stretched out car who takes people to special places in style. Oh no! Look out, Leo! Oh dear. Leo's got a scratch down his side now. And he's covered in mud. That's not a good look. You'd better hurry over to the garage, Leo, so we can help you get cleaned and repaired. Oh dear, that puddle must be deeper than it looks. Leo's wheel is stuck. I'd call for Helen the helicopter, but there's too many trees and not enough room for her to land. I think it's time to call on our newest Gecko's Garage helper, Tilly the tow truck. Go, go, Tilly! Tilly the tow truck has a big hook that she can use to rescue vehicles in trouble. Tilly's hook is perfect for pulling Leo out of that deep puddle. Thank you, Tilly. Now you can both drive to the garage. Thanks again for your help, Tilly. You're a great new member of our team. Oh dear, look at the state of you, Leo. Leo's supposed to be driving me and the mechanicals to the premiere of the new Star Trek movie. But we can't turn up with him looking like that. We'd better get you fixed up, Leo. Drive through the truck wash so that we can clean that mud away. There. Now the mud's gone. Let's get you into the garage so that we can take a good look at you. Let's all see what we can learn as we make Leo turn. Wow, that is a nasty scratch. And your sunglasses are broken too. Don't worry, Leo. The mechanicals will soon have you looking as good as new. Go, go, mechanicals! That really is an awful scratch. But the mechanicals have paint to match. A quick respray. New glasses too. And there you are, as good as new. Fantastic. Leo looks like a super cool dude again. Well done, mechanicals. It's time to drive over to the movie premiere. Jump in, mechanicals. Red, orange and yellow mechanicals. Green, blue and purple mechanicals. Black, white and grey mechanicals. Brown mechanical and pink mechanical. Hang on a minute. It looks like the mechanicals have invited all of their friends and family to join us. Goodness me, they're all coming out of the woodwork. Leo might be a stretch limo, but he can't possibly carry all these extra mechanicals to the premiere. He's going to need some help. Here come some helpers now. Maisie the mower, Trevor the tractor, Max the monster truck, Dylan the dump truck, and Bobby the bus. I'm still not sure there's going to be room for all these extra mechanicals. Let's measure you. Let's measure the vehicles to see how long they are. We can use the crates to help us. Maisie the mower is the smallest. She's 1 crate long. Next is Trevor the tractor. 2 crates long. The middle truck is Max the monster truck. 3 crates long. Even bigger is Dylan the dump truck. 4 crates long. The longest vehicle is Bobby the bus. 5 crates long. To make more room for more mechanicals, I think we're going to have to turn you all into stretch trucks. Let's press the stretch button. The first one in is little Maisie. Ha ha, this machine is really crazy. It pushes and pulls her, fast then slower. Welcome Maisie, the stretch mower. Here comes Trevor from the farm. Don't worry Trev, no need for alarm. Now he really has the X factor. Introducing Trevor, the stretch tractor. Next in line is our friend Max, following in Trevor's tracks. Everyone will be awestruck by Max, the stretch monster truck. Dylan is the next one through, ready to join the stretched out crew. A twist, a pull, a nip, a tuck. It's Dylan, the stretch dumper truck. Bobby is the last through the machine. It stretches him like a string bean. It's Bobby XL+++. It's super long Bobby, the stretch bus. Let's see how long our vehicle friends are now. Maisie the mower is 6 crates long. Trevor the tractor, 7 crates long. Max the monster truck, 8 crates long. Dylan the dump truck is 9 crates long. And last but definitely not least, Bobby the bus is 10 crates long. They're enormous. That's everyone on board. Let's head over to the movie premiere. Wow, this is amazing. Thank you to Leo and my other truck friends for driving us to the movie in style. I'm sorry they can't join us all in the cinema. They're too long to fit in the seats. Hang on a minute. This isn't a regular movie theatre. It's a drive-in. That means everyone can watch the film, even my truck friends. Hooray! I'll see you again soon. Bye! If you love this video, tap here so you're the first to know about my latest videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!